Hello, in this video we are presenting the semester project of our embedded systems, which is an important course of mechatronics engineering. We were supposed to design a TIVA C-series based circuit to smartly control your house using a Bluetooth device. And our major objectives were to have a better understanding to how to automate your house using microcontrollers, a better understanding of concepts of embedded system, and to have a better understanding of hardware and software interfacing. And the last and fourth objective were to understand how to implement courses concept in daily life. Home automation system is growing rapidly, being used to provide comfort, quality of life, and security of resident. Today, many home automation systems are being used to provide the convenience for elderly and infirm and limit human activity in producing services and goods. The home automation system can be designed and developed using a single controller capable of controlling and monitoring various connected devices such as electrical plugs, lamps, temperature and humidity sensors, smoke, gas and fire detector, and emergency and safety system. Another major advantage of the home automation system is that it can be easily controlled LED and managed from a variety of devices such as smartphone, tablet, desktop and laptop. The rapid growth of wireless technology is influencing us to use the smartphones to remotely control and monitor household appliances worldwide. Several home automation systems use smartphones to communicate with microcontrollers using a variety of wireless apps and used to control a network so that the authorized user can configure system settings on their personal devices. Different types of home automation systems offer a variety of functions and services, some of which are common: electrical control, thermostat control, remote control light, live video surveillance, security camera monitoring, real-time text notification. So let's move toward our project. First of all, I will discuss the hardware that we required in our project. Starting with the hardware, we require following equipments of our projects: TIVA C-series microcontroller, LCD 1602, 5-volt DC adapter, HC05 Bluetooth module, buzzer, LEDs, micro servo motors, DC motors, opal sheet PVC, fan wings, L293D motor driver. Let's discuss the methodology briefly. In our project, we have to automate a home using TIVA C-series TM4C123GI6PM and Bluetooth module HC05. For coding purposes, the software used is Energia. The basic purpose of selecting Energia or microvision key is that it is a bit easier to use, as HC05 works in full duplex way. So first we will interface HC05 with your pin of TIVA C-series. After interfacing HC05, we have to interface LEDs, door and fans with HC05 so for this we will use if and then conditions in code and make them resemble with the Bluetooth switches application. In applications, we have 5 switches: LED1, LED2, 2 fans, doors, and an option of all. I will explain the working of LED1 briefly, and the rest of appliances will work similar to LED1. The LED1 has been interfaced such that it gives capital A if switch is on and small a if the switch is off. Because code we have applied condition such that if the variable equal to capital A, then the assigned pin will be high and it give 1 on LCD bar and LED will be on bright. If it is equal to small a, then assigned pin will be given low, it gives 0 on LCD bar and LED will off. Here is our pin outs table, which is actually describing which pin of TIVA microcontroller is used for which appliances, and it is also describing the pins of LCDs and complete configuration required in our project. This is our code of Energia, and the language used for our code is C++. So basically, first of all, we are including the library of servo motor. For servo motor, servo.h include, and the next library that we included is liquid crystal, and this will be used for LCD configuration. So first, and then we will define some micros to configure our GPIO ports, and we will be using UART PD6 or 7 as a transmitter and receiver of for our Bluetooth module. Initially, we are printing the name of our group, the project that was assigned to us, and the welcome message on our LCD. Then we have initialized and character, and the value of this character will be depending on the value that we will assign it using our mobile application. of Bluetooth control buttons, and this value will be checked in a loop again and again, and it will there are many if else condition, if and then conditions that will check the value of this variable. Like if we see in our code the value, if the value of this character is equal to capital A, it means the L LED that we used for in our room 1 will be get high, and it will be on. And if the value of this character is small a, then our LED will be low and it will turn off, and similar for all other rest of appliances.
Following are a real-time pictures of our project in which every component is labeled, just like room 1, room 2, fan 1, fan 2, power hose, and the door, the TV series, etc. All are labeled. As we use Bluetooth module HC05, so to control the HC05 Bluetooth module, we have downloaded an application from Play Store named as Arduino Bluetooth control device, which we use to control LC LEDs. This is the home page of the Arduino Bluetooth control device, in which different switches are given, so we can on or off the switches by tapping on the on and off option. By clicking on the LED 1, LED of the room 1 will open. Just like by clicking on the switch 3, the fan of the room 2 will be open. As same by clicking on the door switch, the door will be open and off. Furthermore, if door remains open for more than 2 minutes, a buzzer will buzz and a red LED will blink, and it's automatically close the door.